Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever ordered Uber Eats and realized you forgot to tip your driver, don't worry, it's quick and easy to do it after the delivery. Especially in 2025, Uber has updated their app with even more user-friendly features to make tipping seamless. Today, I'll walk you through the steps so you can show your appreciation without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your phone and open the Uber Eats app. Make sure you're logged into your account. That's your gateway to all your orders. Once you're in, head straight to the Orders tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see a list of your recent deliveries, making it super simple to find the one you want. Now, tap on the specific delivery you need to tip. In 2025, Uber has introduced a handy Tip Now button right on the order details page, so you won't have to hunt around. Just look for it. It's designed to pop up prominently to encourage timely tips. When you tap it, you'll be taken to a screen where you can select your tip amount. Uber offers suggested options like $2, $5, or $10, but you can also enter a custom amount if you prefer something else. After you've chosen your amount, double-check it to make sure it's what you intended. Then, hit the Confirm button, and voila, your tip is sent directly to the driver. It usually processes in seconds, so they'll get it almost immediately. One quick note. If you interacted with your driver in person, you could always tip them in cash as an alternative, but using the app helps with tracking and ensures everything is official. Tipping isn't just polite, it's a great way to support drivers who work hard to get your food to you safely and on time. Even a small tip can make a big difference in their day. So, next time you think about it, take a moment to add that extra thank you. That's all for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more everyday tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.